Welcome to our channel. This time, we will explore the beauty of the Sermo Reservoir in Kulonprogo, which looks even more stunning in 2024. From the heights, let's enjoy the natural panorama that is pleasing to the eye. Waduk Sermo is located in Kulonprogo Regency, special region of Yogyakarta. Built as a source of irrigation and water reserves, this reservoir has now become a favorite tourist destination for nature lovers. With a backdrop of the green Menora Hills and a calm atmosphere, Waduk Sermo offers a unique charm match. Apart from offering beauty, Sermo Reservoir also has various interesting facilities. Visitors can rent a boat to go around the reservoir, or just relax on the shore while enjoying the gentle breeze. In 2024, this area will also become friendlier for family tourism with new Instagrammable photo spots. That's a glimpse of the beauty of the Sermo Reservoir that we captured via drone. From above, we can see how extraordinary God's creation is around us. One thing to note is that Sermo Reservoir is also a very important place for the local community. Apart from being a tourist attraction, this reservoir also functions as a source of water for agriculture and daily needs. With good management, this reservoir will not only provide beauty, but also life for many people. This is a good example of how nature and humans can coexist in harmony. Our video on Sermo Reservoir in 2024 not only shows the beauty of nature, but also emphasizes the importance of protecting our environment. Through good management and awareness of the need to conserve nature, we can enjoy this kind of beauty for future generations. Let's work together to protect this natural beauty, so that our children and grandchildren can also experience the magic of the Sermo Reservoir. Thank you for watching our video on the Sermo Reservoir. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss other interesting videos.